Hi, Adams. So to finish up this unit, we are going to do a little bit of vocabulary and language review of some skills that we learned in previous lessons throughout this unit. We are done with our reading, so no more reading for this unit. We're going to review what we've learned and answer a couple questions. So number one asks, which is not a characteristic of a personal narrative? So think about what's a personal narrative and what were those three things that a personal narrative must have. Which one of these is not on that list? Number two, the word illegal means. So take it apart. We learned about the prefix. Think about what the word legal means. Number three has a sentence from the text. So the quote says, maybe you know this because your parents have grounded you or yelled at you or confiscated your favorite video game when you've lied in the past. What does the word confiscated mean in the sentence above? So use your strategies to fill in the blank and figure out what that word means. Number four, but realizing that it translated as moving slowly, she decided that she didn't like the implications of that name. What does implications mean in the sentence above? Number five, I smell it and imagine a pale pink center, the seeds tightly embedded in the flesh. What does the word embedded mean in the sentence above? Number six, you grimace, your eyes water, and your cheeks disappear as your lips purse into a tight O. What does the word grimace mean in the sentence above? Remember, fill in the blank, reread the sentence, see which word makes sense. Number seven, my father scored my orange. I peeled and thoughtfully ate it. What does the word scored mean in the quote above? Number eight, I was too woozy from pain and fever to care. What does the word woozy mean in the sentence above? Number nine, tears glistened on his cheeks. I had never seen my grandfather cry. What does the word glisten mean in the sentence above? And lastly, number 10, one evening, a particularly patient nurse coaxed me to drink some 7-Up. What does the word coaxed mean in the quote above? All right, as always, if you need any help, remember to use your online dictionary, look up those words, go back into the text if you need to, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, Adams.